Hey there, it's Renee again. Just continuing from our last sessions, I showed you how to just get started with your Cricut, get that design space going. We were learning about DeFont, we downloaded Belinda, the Love SVG, we downloaded the little monster. So I just want to explain more, but I kind of ended off there. So we ended on this page. We have our SVG and our PNG. So I want to kind of explain the difference between these. So I'll get rid of my hello here. Don't need that. So this colorful one is the SVG. I'm going to make this smaller so you can actually see it. So we can do a lot here. See, in our grouping on the side, we have every piece is individual. And our PNG is just one piece. So if you want black and white, you don't want to do anything, perfect, then the PNG is fine. You can go to make it, and there she is. But I like the SVG. It's more fun. You can do a lot more with it. So here's our SVG. Suppose you like it, but you don't maybe want these little Frankenstein looking things here. You can go to ungroup, and now you have some pieces. So that was one piece, so you can actually get rid of that if you want. I'm just gonna put them to the side over here, and this is still one piece, so we can ungroup again. And ungroup is literally ungrouping your image, exactly what it sounds like. Ungroup again. Now we have monster, and we can do whatever we want with it. So now we have individual letters. And this little guy. Oh, so that you'd have to ungroup one more time. See how it's in the gray here? It means it's all together. Ungroup, get rid of that. So suppose you wanted to tweak this a bit. Now you can do whatever you want with it. Mommy, you probably keep like that because it just looks nice like that. You can go to the bottom lock button here. So that gives you the ability to do different sizes, whereas if you're on your lock, you're only going bigger and smaller like that. But I'm gonna play with monster down here a bit. So say you wanted it like this. You just kind of play around with this. But you want to stay like that when you actually print it. So you're going to select this, and you're going to go to attach. That's all you need to do. So now it's one piece. You can weld it, so it's literally one piece, but once you weld, you can't unweld, and there's no need to really weld this. I'll teach you welding in another video. So we're just gonna focus on our grouping. So we've attached this, so now we go to make it, and it's attached. I always go to make it to make sure my pieces are all there. So cancel. Whereas if it's detached, it's gonna be turns, right? It's not together, so that's no good. So we're gonna just attach it again. Say you want your piece different colors. Obviously, it doesn't really matter what color it is here because you're going to choose your physical vinyl. But regardless, just click on this little side and pick your colors. So if you want the project colors, you can click, they're up here. Now it's black. A fun little thing I actually just learned, because I was clicking on every individual one, changing it to the project colors if I just wanted one color. Go to color sync in the right hand corner here and drag your piece to the other one. Drag it to the other one, and now you have all one color. So when you make it, you only have one board here. So everything's printing on one color. It's good if you want to pre-cut your vinyls, so you can put, you know, a little shape right here, right here. You can also move these, so you can put your green vinyl down here. So you don't have to worry about slotting in different masks, just for convenience, whatever is easier for yourself. You can do anything on here, and you can, I'll show you one more thing on here. You can move to another mat. So new mat. Same color, doesn't really matter right now. So say mommy was huge, or you only had so much material, whatever reason you have, you can create as many mats as you want. You can turn these around to fit your mat. Okay, so that is kind of fixing the SVGs here, kind of making it your own. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to not overwhelm you with information. I will give you more information in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any information. Thank you. Have a great day.